Welcome to our channel. In this video, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of riverstone art, a unique and profitable niche within the home decor industry. With the rising demand for handmade and eco-friendly products, riverstone art presents a fantastic opportunity for artisans and aspiring entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Stay tuned until the end, as we'll be sharing insights and tips that you won't want to miss. We'll discuss how to transform natural materials into beautiful decor items, while also exploring job opportunities within this creative field. Craftsmanship and Techniques will kick things off by delving into the craftsmanship involved in creating riverstone art. You'll learn how to select the right stones based on size, shape, and texture, and the tools necessary for crafting stunning pieces. From wall hangings and centerpieces to outdoor sculptures, we'll showcase various styles and techniques such as mosaic patterns and natural arrangements. This segment will emphasize the importance of creativity and attention to detail in producing high-quality art that stands out in a crowded market. To job opportunities in riverstone art. Throughout the video, we'll highlight potential job opportunities associated with riverstone art. Whether you want to work independently as a freelance artist or collaborate with local artisans, options abound. We'll discuss how to establish workshops, host art classes, or even create online courses to teach others the craft. Additionally, we'll explore partnerships with local businesses, such as home decor stores or galleries, to showcase and sell your creations. This section will inspire viewers to consider multiple avenues for income generation within the realm of riverstone art. 3. Pricing strategy. Determining the right pricing for your riverstone art can significantly impact your profitability. In this video, we'll break down effective pricing strategies, considering factors such as material costs, time invested, and market demand. You'll learn how to conduct market research to analyze similar products and set competitive prices without undervaluing your work. We'll also discuss tiered pricing for different types of pieces, allowing you to cater to various customer budgets while maximizing profit. For marketing your riverstone art. Next, we'll dive into marketing strategies that can elevate your riverstone art business. With the power of social media, we'll explore how to create visually appealing content that showcases your work. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for sharing high-quality images and engaging potential customers. We will also discuss the importance of storytelling in your branding. Sharing the journey behind each piece can create a deeper connection with buyers. Additionally, we'll cover the use of e-commerce platforms such as Etsy, Shopify, and local craft fairs to reach a wider audience. Building an email list and engaging with customers through newsletters can further enhance your marketing efforts. This section will provide actionable tips on creating a robust online presence and developing a loyal customer base. 5. Sustainability and consumer trends. As we near the end of the video, we'll focus on the growing trend of sustainability in consumer products. Today's buyers are increasingly seeking eco-friendly options, making riverstone art an attractive choice. We'll discuss how to highlight the sustainable aspects of your work, from responsibly sourcing materials to embracing natural aesthetics. By positioning your art as an environmentally conscious choice, you can attract a demographic that values both beauty and sustainability. In conclusion, by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to establish a cash-generating riverstone art business. You'll be equipped with the knowledge to create stunning pieces, navigate the business landscape, and market your work effectively. Join us as we unlock the potential of riverstone art, encouraging you to turn your creativity into a fulfilling and profitable venture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into creative entrepreneurship and the world of handmade art.